Welcome to the Hubble Telescope Night Sky Challenge for March 2025, hosted by the Nurture Nature Center in Easton, Pennsylvania, where science, art, and community involvement converge to make incredible things happen. Follow us on social media to stay informed of the many programs, activities, and events that we support in our community and surrounding areas. This year, we have been celebrating the 35th anniversary of the Hubble Space Telescope. In partnership with NASA and the Astronomical League, the Nurture Nature Center recognizes the many contributions Hubble has made and continues to make in the scientific community. Each month, we've been highlighting the targets in the night sky selected by NASA and previously imaged by Hubble. This has allowed us to find and observe these distant objects ourselves and compare our view with that of Hubble's. It has been an eye-opening experience, to say the least. So let's find out now what objects have been revealed for the month of March. Remember, if you are participating in the Hubble Challenge, you have until the end of the following month to submit your observations for recognition with a certificate from the Astronomical League. This month, there are only 4 objects to view in the Northern Hemisphere. They include M44, M48, M67, and C48. Let's take a closer look at each. Messier 44 is also known as the Beehive Cluster. This open cluster of about 1,000 stars is one of the closest to Earth. It was first seen as more than just a cloudy nebula by Galileo. The Hubble image here not only shows this open cluster, but also detects several galaxies far beyond the cluster itself. Located only about 600 light-years from Earth, M44 has an apparent magnitude of 3.7, making it relatively easy to see. It's found in the constellation of Cancer. In this sky chart, you can see how our friend Orion is starting to move further westward as we continue through the year. This month, you will become more familiar with seeing Sirius, the brightest star in the night sky. It is also called the Dog Star since it is located in Canis Major, the large dog in Latin. Above Orion, you will also become familiar with Gemini and the twin stars Castor and Pollux of this constellation. You can use them as guide stars to find the center of Cancer, where you can locate M44. The next object is M48. This is an open cluster of about 50 stars which are visible with binoculars. The cluster was first noted by Charles Messier in 1771, but cataloged them in the wrong position. As a result, it was lost in history for about a dozen years. His daughter later found it again and was able to catalog its position correctly so we can enjoy finding it today. M48 is about 2,500 light-years from Earth and has an apparent magnitude of 5.5. It can be found in the constellation Hydra. About midway in the sky between Sirius and Regulus in the constellation Leo, M48 is surrounded by our new friends Canis Major, Gemini, and Hydra. It will become more and more visible as the month progresses. Our next target is M67, also called the King Cobra or Golden Eye Cluster. This open cluster of over 500 stars is loosely held together by gravity. It's about the same age as our Sun and contains nearly 100 stars very similar to our own. In addition, there are about 30 blue stragglers of a slightly different age. The entire cluster is unusually located nearly 1,500 light years above the plane of our Milky Way galaxy. This is strange since most are found along the central plane of our galaxy. Here we can see that M67 is located at the lower end of Cancer. The two stars, Castor and Pollux, from Gemini can provide a pointer in the right direction to locate it. See how well you can find it as you have fun navigating your way around the constellations of the late winter sky. Finally, we have C48. This is a spiral galaxy that has a large, yellowing central bulge filled with old stars. Younger stars are found in the outer arms of the spiral and have been studied by astronomers to better understand star formation. In reality, the spiral arms are very difficult to discern. In this image, however, Hubble uses visible, infrared, and ultraviolet light to make it more visible for us to see. C48 is about 67 million light years away from us and has an apparent magnitude of 11.0. Once again, it can be found in the constellation Cancer, lower in the sky from the previous object, M67. By the end of the month, you should be much more familiar finding your way around these constellations, getting closer to Leo every day. As a reminder, if you have been motivated to participate in the Hubble Challenge, there are two levels of recognition: the Silver Award and the Gold Award. To earn the silver status, you must observe at least one of the objects in a given month. The Gold Award requires at least 4 observations monthly. In both cases, you need to submit your journal entry by the end of the following month. Each month begins a new opportunity to earn silver recognition, but the gold requires observations month after month. Your entry can be sent directly to Richard Benson at the Astronomical League, or sent to me and I will forward it to him. After submission, you will receive your certificate within a week or so. In addition to the Hubble Challenge program each month, be sure to register for upcoming events to celebrate the night sky. Our first Star Party will be taking place on April 12th, and in June there is a program highlighting bioluminescence. Scan the QR codes for more information. Thank you for joining us for this month's Hubble Challenge program, and we hope to see you back again next month. I'll leave you with a musical slideshow of my top 35 Hubble images. Enjoy.